Hey everybody, this is Scott, and today I'm going to show you how to make the slip-stitched crochet braid knot that goes up the side of a hat or a scarf or whatever it is you'd like to make. You can do this on any piece of work that you're working on. So I'm not going to show you how to do the work. If you'd like to see how to make a hat or whatever, feel free to check out my other videos. I'll teach you there. But to do this little slip stitch thing, what you need to do is at the end of your work, you're going to go ahead and cut off your yarn like you normally would. We're going to leave a nice long tail so that we can chase that tail later. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and actually go around one time so that your needles release. Just get rid of that for now. And we're going to go ahead and release all of your needles from the work. So all I'm doing right now is going right through here and making sure that the needles don't grab the work. All the way around back to the black one. And I'm going to stop right before the black one because I don't want it pushing the work back off. Right, there's my black one. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this right here. Now the next thing you need to do is figure out how many that you'd like to go in between. I'm going to do 2 slips and 5 leaves because this is a 22 needle machine, so 21, that would be 7 stitches. So I'm going to go 5 by 2 with 1 extra. So whatever size machine you have, you're just going to slip 2 and then leave as many as you'd like to. You can make your row wider or shorter or whatever, just experiment. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here and I'm going to find 2 and I'm going to let them alone. And now I'm going to pick up 5. I'll go ahead and hold on to this. 1, 2, 3, 'Just loosening up my needle there. 4, 5. I'm going to keep those 5. I'll be letting these next 2 slip, so I'm just going to let them sit there for now because I don't care what happens to them because they're going to slip. Then you pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. And I'll end up letting these 2 slip. I'm going to pick up 1, 2, and now I need to release these next ones from my needle. And there's my 3rd. Just grab that guy right there. There's my 4th. Oh, he doesn't want to come out. That's all right. I'm sure y'all been there, done that, right? There we go. Just get him off. If you have one that argues with you, you can pull on it a little bit. That's no big deal. See, this guy is just not wanting to come off. No problem. We'll get it off. There we go. Got it. And then I'm going to just go backwards because that one's stuck too. Pick it off. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up one other one here too. So there's that guy. And I'm going to pick up this extra one here too. And then the rest I'm going to let them slip. So here's the second part goes like this. Now I'm going to take this off the machine. And all of these slips that we're going to do, here's what you got to do with them. You're going to let it go down. Now if I was making a rolled beanie, for example, I would just pull this a little tighter here, and you have to decide where do you want that thing to stop? How far down do you want to let these stitches slip? So what we're going to do is I'm just going to start pulling. See how they're going 2 by 2 right there? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to go down a little ways here so you can see how it works, but you're just going to go ahead and let them open up. You can let it go all the way to the bottom if you want, or down to your brim or whatever it is you're making. You just let it go as far as you want, and then when you're ready to stop, you just stop. I'll go get this other one here. So far we haven't done anything too earth-shattering. I'll just stop it right there because that feels good. Now, the way that you make this all go together is you're gonna grab a crochet hook and you're gonna pick up this and you're gonna pick up this. You're just grabbing those 2 loops, wherever it is you've decided on doing it. So you might wanna count these so you do it the same all the way around. And then all we're gonna do is we're gonna go underneath here, underneath 2 loops, and then I'm just gonna grab and I'm gonna crochet those 2 right through. And then I'm gonna grab the next 2 and I'm gonna crochet them right through. Next 2, crochet them through. And that's all there is to it right here. We're doing it. Grab the next 2, crochet it. Oops, I lost it. There we go. 2 more, crochet it up. You're building this little ladder here. There's 2 more. Bring it up. And I see I've got 3 on the end, so I'm gonna do 2. Got an uneven number. Crochet it through. And then I'll just do this last one on its own. And bring it up through. Now if you look, now a lot of people will hold on to this or grab it with another piece of thread or something like that. I just let it sit there. But now if you look at this, you've got this really nice pattern going up through here. When I finish off my hat, that'll be there and it's locked in because you've locked it at the bottom by pulling these 2 crochets together. And then you just go through and you do the same thing over and over again. You find the next set that you let slip. Here we go. There's my next 2. And you're just gonna pull them down and do it the same way. Pull it down as far as you'd like to. You can count them or not. You just keep on going down until you're done. And then crochet them up just like we did before. When you're all said and done here, now because this is a rolled hat that I was making, what I would do is I would just take this and take this is the finishing, which I know is not the goal here, but I would just take this and just chase it through these loops that you made with the crochets, chase it through there and chase it through the black and tie it off just like you would do your normal tie off. And that's gonna end up with a really beautiful rib in there wherever you decide to put it. So my rib will be every 5 because that's what I chose to do. And that's all there is to it. Check out my other videos and thanks for watching.